Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to solve yet another task of 100 days of AWS challenge by KodeKloud engineer. So in today's task we need to migrate data from a newly created S3 bucket. So here is the task which states create a new private bucket S3 bucket. Name of the bucket should be this, and data migration. We need to migrate the entire data of this existing bucket to our newly created bucket. So let's verify the content of existing bucket. So AWS S3 ls. So these are the files or the content which we need to migrate to our newly created private bucket. So let's create a private bucket, and we need to solve this task via AWS CLI. So for creation of bucket, the command is AWS S3 API create bucket, and the name of the bucket is data center sync 30755. So our bucket is created. Now let's verify the content of our newly created bucket. As of now it should return nothing because it has nothing in it. So AWS S3 ls S3, and so yeah, it is empty. Now we need to migrate all of this content inside our newly created bucket. So for this we are going to use sync. So sync compares some source and destination and copies newly created or modified files only. So we are not going to use copy. So for this AWS S3 sync, and we need to sync data of our bucket. So this is our bucket AWS S326, and this is our newly created bucket. So our data is now migrating from our previously created bucket to newly created private bucket. The content has been migrated successfully. So now let's verify AWS S3 ls S3 and the name of our newly created private bucket. So yeah, it has all the content in it. So let's verify our task.